Oops, you want to have a treat? You want to have a treat? Yeah, you do. Will you meow? Will you please meow? I'll give you a treat. Oh, it doesn't matter. You're just going to have a treat anyway. Yeah, you're right. I'd never not give you a treat. I'll get you one of your treats in a minute, Blaze. Honestly. There we go. You meow? Meow? No? No meow? Meow. Will you meow for Loops? Alright, I'm sorry. I have a couple of them here. Is that enough? Oh, you love our treats, huh? You ought to do a commercial. I know, Blaze. I'll give you a treat, too. Crunch, crunch. You're so cute. Whoa. Was that good? That good treat? Alright, see you later.